Modular and compact, the TruBlue Auto Belay is easy to install and move. Refer to the operator manual for complete installation instructions. The TruBlue Auto Belay is to be mounted at the top of the climbing route with the nozzle and webbing line pointed down. The unit may be installed indoors or outdoors. When selecting location to mount the Auto Belay, always ensure that all anchor points meet the minimum load capacity specified in the operator manual and conform to all federal and state requirements for such devices. The Auto Belay will hang vertically over the climbing route with the nozzle pointing down. Ensure that all paths that can be used by the climber when connected to the Auto Belay are free of sharp edges and high friction surfaces that may damage the webbing line. Ensure that the descent path and landing areas are free of other climbers, pedestrians, or obstacles that may cause entanglement or restrict the climber's ascent or descent. There are two options for mounting the Auto Belay. Single point mounting is the preferred method of mounting your Auto Belay to maximize webbing life. For single point mounting, the Auto Belay is installed using the central mounting point as shown. A longer, non-loaded secondary mount uses the offset mount or handle mounting points. For double point mounting, use only the offset mounting point and handle. Ensure that the attachments are equalized so that the load is shared equally between the anchor points. The Auto Belay should hang vertically and be symmetrical about its center.